Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2019 Nissan Altima. With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Take a closer look at this sporty and practical Altima. From its athletic performance to its available all-weather capability to its spacious, comfortable cabin, this stylish, safety-minded midsize is the ideal family sedan. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, fog lamps, blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, rear spoiler, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats. Sacrifice nothing. This Altima has it all. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.